Sorry.
It sounds like he's in a hardcore rock band.
I'm gonna
Oh my god. Fuck you, Bird. Alright, what's up?
I'm gonna pop some guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
but